Hello friends, welcome to my part 8. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to apply my powder bronzer. Now I know I use cream already, but I just use powder to ensure that it stays on throughout the day. I really want my face to not fade, so this is what I do. If you just want to use powder, go for it. If you just want to use cream, go for it. It'll look beautiful either way, but I'll just show you how I do it. So first up, starting with a fluffy brush. I don't know what brush this is. This is my Morphe, but it's like my favorite one. Don't even look at it. Don't look at it. It's like a little dirty. Oh gosh, I need to clean my brushes, so let's not judge me. But I'm just gonna go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. Still love this. Do a couple circles, and then do a little tap, tap, tap. Now, for this, I'm going to aim it a little bit higher than my contour here. Right where that hollow is, I'm gonna go a little bit higher, starting at my hairline and just kind of lightly getting it in there. Like that. Once you kind of got it in there, I'm just gonna use excess to go up my forehead. And if you are doing bronzer by itself, no cream, I would do a little bit more than I'm about to do. Like, this is all I'll be putting on, so do what you feel comfortable with, what you like. Even this is like a little bit much, I think. I don't know if the lighting is just weird, but, and then I'm just gonna go excess under here as well. Now, I can't tell if I went a little crazy. If you do, no problem. Use a little powder brush and just kind of diffuse that. And again, I didn't show you guys how much I took, so I just went 1, 2, tap, tap, tap. And then again, a little bit above my contour. And blend it down. And excess goes on the forehead, or around the forehead, I guess. Why do I keep saying boom? Now, you can choose to do this or not, depending on what kind of look you're doing. If you're gonna do eyeshadow, don't. But if you're not gonna do eyeshadow, I just like to contour my eyes a little bit with the same color. I'll just go in and give my eye just a little bit more definition, because I'm not doing eyeshadow today. Go under and over, all around. I'm just using another fluffy Morphe brush from the same set that other bronzer was from. It's rose gold set. So I just like to keep it on the outer V and on the outer crease. And just blend a little under the eye. I want to keep the top of my eyelid bright and just let the outer eye be contoured. And now onto the part that takes me the longest. Same bronzer, I'm going in, contouring my nose. So first things first, I like to use a little tapered brush. This is my Who Knows. I think this is an Anastasia brush. It looks like one. But, oh no, sorry, this is a Sigma brush. It's a Sigma tapered, it's like E11 or something. But it's super tapered, thin, perfect for what I'm doing. You can also use a little smudger brush, just something that's gonna let you create a little line. It's not gonna be huge. So I just go in, grab a little bit, tap, tap, and I'm gonna go right on the sides of my nose. So I can already see where I put the highlight, and so I'm just gonna basically go beside that. And just lightly add this bronzer. And I like to go out of my nostril, like around my nostril as well. Same with this side. Or just to create that little button, we're gonna go, I just go under and over. And then I just do a little circle, circle, circle. So now to complete the contour, I'm going to be going in with my translucent powder, my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder that I use to set my entire face. Just going to grab a little bit of that on a smudger brush. This one is my Karity E28 smudger brush. But any smudger brush will work, just something you can create a sharp line with. I don't bake, so I wouldn't use a sponge. And just brushes let you have a little bit more control. So you're gonna look at that line you just created and just draw right along the edge. So just like this. And I am gonna go over that little nostril carve out again once I've done this. And then whatever's left over on the brush, just a little, and then go up. Going back in with a little bit of that bronzer. I'm just going to carve back out those nostrils. Alright, so now it's time to blend. I'm going to go in with a brush that I use for under my eyes, and this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills 822 brush. And I'm just gonna blend it out. And I like to go like this, but fast. So it's just kind of like on an angle. Just kind of helps me not mess any other part of my makeup up. And you just blend until your desired blendiness. Sometimes it takes me a little bit. For the tip of the nose, I just go. That looks blended out to me. Feeling good, feeling confident in that. Now that is how I use my powder bronzer to contour my cheeks, nose, and eyes. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Now click on part 9 if you want to see how I apply powder blush. The link is below.